Hello friends and students. So in this video we shall see the design of a 1:8 demultiplexer. So in the last two videos I've already explained the working of 1:2 demux and 1:4 demux. So on very similar lines we should also write the table and do the design of a 1:8 demultiplexer. Now what is a demultiplexer? Very briefly, a demultiplexer has a single input and multiple outputs. So here I have a single input I and you have 8 outputs. So I call it as y0 to y7. So since there are 8 outputs, the value of n is 8. So since the value of n is 8, I need to find the number of select lines. So what is select lines equal to? The number of select lines m is equal to log n to base 2, which is log 8 to base 2, so it is 3. So therefore there are 3 select lines and they are S2, S1 and S0. So let them be S2, S1 and S0, and we also can include the enable bit here. Alright, so now let us see how we can design. So if I have the enable bit, which is one of the other inputs, so let's see how the truth table can be written. So when the enable is 0, so if the enable is 0, then the 1:8 demux does not operate. So irrespective of the select lines, the output would be 0. When the enable is 1, when S2, S1, S0 is 0, the input appears at Y0. So I have I here and I have zeros. Now similarly, if the enable is 1, if the select lines are 0, 0, 1, then I have the input appearing at y1 and so on. So in this way we can complete the table. So let me complete it. So here I have completed the entire table here. So now when the enable is 1, when S2, S1, S0, all the 3 are 1, the input appears at y7, the last output. So now how do we design this? How do we write the expression first for y0, y1 and so on? So what is y0 equal to? So y0 is equal to E into, so all of them are 0. So I have into S2 bar, into S1 bar, into S0 bar, into the input I. Alright, so that's as simple as that. So next, what is y1? So y1 is E into 0, 0, 1. So you have S2 bar, S1 bar, S0 into I. And what is Y2? Y2 is equal to E into, I have 0, 1, 0. 0 is S2 bar, 1 is S1, 0 is S0 bar into I. Next, Y3 is equal to, again, the enable into, I have 0, 1, 1, S2 bar, 1 is S1, S0 into I. So 0, 1, 1. Then I have Y4 is equal to E into, it is 1, 0, 0. So it is S2, S1 bar, S0 bar into I. And then you have Y5. Y5 is E into, so it is 1, 0, 1, S2, S1 bar, S0 into I, that's 1, 0, 1, and then Y6 is E into 1, 1, 0, S2, S1, S0 bar into I, and I have Y7 which is E into, all the 3 select lines are 1, so it would be S2, S1, S0 into I. Alright, so these are the expressions of y0 to y7. So how do I design it? So I'll just show the design for one of them, and it is very similar. You can do the design for the rest. So I have E, I have S2, pass it through an inverter, I get S2 bar. Then I have S1, pass it through another inverter, you get S1 bar. And then S0, pass it through another inverter, you get S naught bar. And then you have I. So in the first case, you pass all of them, that is E, S2 bar, S1 bar, S naught bar, and I through an AND gate, and you get Y naught. And similarly, what about Y1? You pass E, and here it is S2 bar, S1 bar, and S naught. And then I pass it through another 5 input AND gate, you get Y1. And similarly, you can complete it for all the other expressions, the other outputs from Y2 to Y7. So what about Y7? Let me just write it for the last stage, for the last output. It is E into S2, S1, S0 into I, pass it through a 5 input AND gate, I get Y7. So this is how we can design a demultiplexer, 1:8 demultiplexer. So I've written the table here, and then we have also found out the number of select lines, which is 3, and then this is how we can get the expressions for all the outputs and do the design. So make sure that you complete all of them. And to view the other lecture videos in demultiplexer, go through the previous video segments. So you will find all the other lecture videos on demultiplexer, design of 1:2 and 1:4. And in the next lecture session, we shall see how a full subtractor can be realized using a 1:8 demultiplexer. And to view all the other videos in digital electronics, click on the I icon or go through the playlist digital electronics. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.